Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we will be packaging someone's order of fidget toys. So I have the fidget toy box, super duper fun, from Shine Toys. And just to tell you, this is a full skit, so we can get started. Alright, you guys. Okay. Put the camera back. Okay, so let's put that camera back. I already put it back. I'm going to put on some gloves, these boogers. Today's order is from Teresa, and yeah, so she ordered a lot. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one we have is this puppet. She already puppet. Put it in the box. She ordered a purple puppet, and she also ordered a yellow puppet. Next, she ordered a Rubik's Cube. Super duper cute. And I love Rubik's Cubes. Okay. Next, she ordered this maze thingy. I don't know, but super duper fun. This stress ball, and it's a football. These two monkey noodles. Don't forget the pop tube. I'm going to shrink it so that it doesn't so that it could fit into the box. So, ready to listen to it? Let's do it. It's super duper loud. Alright, let's do this over here. Alright, the pop tube is smaller. Let's put the pop tube in. Good. Now, I love wearing these gloves. Marble meshes. So, let's add it in. 1 marble mesh, 2 marble mesh, and a 3rd marble mesh. These 2 very styled fidget spinners. They're super pretty. I love them. Super fun to play with too. These 2 cute little stretchy mans. A bike chain. I'm going to add it in a bag right now. Alright. I put it in a bag. And a pea popper. 2 pea poppers. We're going to put it here. We had to make sure we organize it. So far, the box is going super well. This wacky track, I'm going to fold it into a snake shape. Let's add it in here. These 2 thingies, I forgot what they were called, but they're super duper fun. 1 and a tube. And 1 huge ball for the extra. Now, the order is all packed. Let's ship it. Good, alright. So, thank you so much for watching. Just to tell you, this is still a skit. So, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, my hands are hot, and hit the notification bell if you want to see other new skits from my channel. Bye!